In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the April natural gas contract, which fell today. It was down 2.08% on its lows today. 2.636 was that low price in the April contract. Settled down just under 1%, 97 basis points. On the high side of things, it was up 82 basis points. So there was some two-way movement, but really that downward pressure kind of dominated the day. And natural gas is now down 13% since its February 18th highs. After 4 consecutive weeks higher, if we finish if we finish negative this week, that'll be 3 consecutive weeks that natural gas has finished lower. Now, mild weather is part of the reason for the weakening demand. We're looking at low to moderate demand for the next week, as most of the U.S. will be mild to warm, with some cooler exceptions over the Southwest and the Northern Plains. A fresh cold shot will sweep across the Great Lakes and Northeast this weekend, and chilly lows from the 10s to the 30s will hit those areas. Friday through Sunday, we can get some heavy rains and snow across the Rockies and Plains, but then it's going to gradually warm over time, so that snow is going to turn to moisture and kind of melt away. And then a milder break with highs of the 50s to 70s will set up over the eastern half of the U.S. next week, prior to another cold shot pushing through the plains of the Midwest. All of that basically equaling low to moderate demand. So there might not be a floor in this natural gas contract from a demand perspective. Now, the EIA inventory data did come out today, and the natural gas storage report printed a draw of 52 billion cubic feet, much lighter than the market expectation of 67 billion cubic feet. This decreased the supplies to 1.793 trillion cubic feet and decreased the deficit to minus 141 billion cubic feet. Next week, it'll be an even smaller draw than this week due to comfortable temperatures over much of the U.S. this past week.